Roughly 1.2 million people in the US are living with HIV. The medicine that prevents it, PrEP, only works if people start the conversation. The NIH just funded a study to teach that conversation using AI. It's an R34 planning grant from the National Institutes of Health, the mechanism that funds pilot work before the big trial. R34s aren't research grants in the usual sense. They fund the PrEP work, the protocol design, the partnerships, the pilot data that makes a full clinical trial fundable. NIH calls it a planning grant. Researchers call it the dress rehearsal. The new AI PrEP study uses one to build a virtual practice environment where women can rehearse PrEP conversations with a large language model before they have them in real life. R34s are open to domestic and foreign public or private organizations, universities, nonprofits, hospitals, faith-based groups, for-profits, including small businesses, and tribal organizations. Most institutes want a principal investigator with an established research program and a multidisciplinary team. Solo investigators and brand new researchers are usually a tough fit. Activity code R34, the NIH Planning Grant designation. Lead institutes for HIV-adjacent work are NIMH, NIAID, NIDA, and NICHD. Standard parent announcements are reissued annually. Application due dates follow the NIH receipt cycle: February, June, and October. Award size: up to $450,000 in direct costs over a maximum of 3 years. Most awards land around $150,000 per year. That funds pilot work and protocol development, not a full Phase 2 trial. What wins? 1. A clearly defined gap in current evidence. 2. A pilot that produces something useful, not feasibility for its own sake. 3. A real plan for the R01 that follows. 4. A team and environment that can actually execute the work. Common pitfalls: pitching the R34 as a mini-full study. Skipping the pilot rationale. No connection to a future R01. Weak community or stakeholder partnerships. Why it matters. Most great clinical research starts as a planning grant. Skipping the R34 means going straight to NIH peer review without proof your protocol works. And reviewers can tell. For more federal funding breakdowns like this, visit ops.opengrants.io. OpenGrants does not guarantee funding outcomes. Results vary by organization and opportunity.